It's important to unbox and inspect your KraftMaid cabinets soon after they arrive and before you demo your existing space. If anything isn't as it should be, we want to know as soon as possible so we can make it right without holding up your project. Before you open any cabinet cartons, find a small white box that says "Open Me First" on it. It contains installation hardware, shelf clips, and a sample touch-up kit that can cover up any small blemishes from shipment or installation. Store this box in a safe place for your installer. Next, grab a sharp box cutter or utility knife and carefully slice along the top edge of one of the carton's panels. Be sure not to cut too deeply. Then slice down both sides of the same carton panel. This creates a flap that you can fold down to the floor. Remove any protective packing you can reach and slide the cabinet out onto the flap you just created. It's helpful to have an extra set of hands holding the carton while you pull. Once you've inspected your cabinet, put it back into its carton for protection. As you inspect your cabinets, open doors and drawers and check out any factory-installed accessories. Look for damage that may have occurred during transportation. If something isn't right, snap a picture of the issue and make note of the SKU. Then contact the store where you purchased your cabinets to arrange a fix or order a replacement. After you've gone over your entire order, you'll be ready for demo and life in a new room that's built just for you. Find more useful tips on tackling your remodel at KraftMaid.com.